how to connect Phantom Wallet to Bullx. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is open up your Bullx website and then go to the wallet manager. So in the wallet manager, all you have to do is go and click on the add wallet option right over there. So here, what you have to do is you can go with a different sort of chain type, and you can also go with a Solana. And in the Solana, all you have to do is to write the name of the wallet, which is Phantom, and enter the wallet address. For that, we're going to go to the Phantom wallet, which is in my Google Chrome extension. Here, all I have to do is to go to the receiving end and select Solana as the chain in which I'm going to go and make the transactions for the withdrawal for the Bullx website. So just copy the address and paste it over here in the enter wallet address section, and then tap on the add wallet option. So here you guys can see that the Phantom wallet has now been added to my Bullx website. So here all I have to do is wait, the wallet will be activated, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.